Hi, before you skip this video, I want to answer two common technical questions that we get about the PAQ, as well as introduce some of the thoughts that are going to carry us through the remainder of this questionnaire. So first and foremost, here on page one, we want to be able to identify who you are. So you're going to see a pre-populated list that came from the Human Resources payroll file. Now, a lot of times that information isn't perfectly accurate. That's okay. You can edit this information on page two. So to begin, go ahead and select your department or your location from the drop-down menu. Then it's going to give you a list of job titles. Then it's going to give you a list of names of people who are in those job titles. And all of that is just provided from the Human Resources file. If it's not correct, that's okay. We can edit it later. But just go ahead and find yourself on that drop-down list. If you don't see yourself, that's okay. We can move on to page two and you'll be able to manually type that information and be able to edit it. Second question we get asked a lot is how to save and continue later. And I'm going to show you how to do that on page two. And there'll be a video there as well to explain that. But just know for right now that every time you click on the link that came from HR, the link that brought you to this questionnaire, it's going to create a new PAQ. We need to use the Save and Continue Later button that's going to be up on the top of the next page and every page thereafter to go ahead and save it and come back to it later. You only need to click that button once. Once you click it once, you're going to get a link that only works for you, that's directly identified for this questionnaire that you're filling out now. But that Save and Continue Later button is how you're going to come back to those results. So for now, go ahead and select yourself from the drop-down list, and I'll be back on page two to tell you a little bit more. Thanks. Bye.